Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, AMG line, which gives you the AMG interior and exterior look, 19-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, full down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, convenience package with garage door openers. We've got our media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 11,534 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.